to ask you a simple question. If you could earn $2 simply by clicking a button and viewing a short video, would you do it? And what if you had the opportunity to repeat the process and earn anywhere from $10 to $200 without restrictions? The best part is that you can complete all of this with nothing more than a smartphone or a computer. In just a few minutes, you can begin making money online and withdrawing cash instantaneously using PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, Paytm, Payoneer, Gcash, and other methods. It is available to anybody anywhere in the globe with no investment required because it is a method that is completely free. Also, keep in mind that the more applications you use, the more money you will earn. So make sure that you watch all the way through till the end to discover about all of these 5 websites and applications that will help you in making money. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. It is with great pleasure that I introduce you to MyPoints, a website that allows you to earn money online just by viewing videos. This application is available for free download from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Furthermore, it is available around the world. Take a look at this. Since 2012, this website has been up and running. They have already paid a total of $5.8 million to users on this website. You can earn money by participating in a contest, doing surveys, watching videos, or even receiving cashbacks on your purchases. However, in this video, we'll only talk about watching videos because it is the quickest, easiest, and highest paying job on this website. So we'll limit ourselves to that. Fill out this form with your email address and click Sign Up Now button if you wish to participate. This can be done on your phone or on your computer. After that, if you pay close attention, I'll log into my account and demonstrate the process in detail before you go ahead and attempt it for yourself. My income continues to increase on a daily basis, and all I have to do is keep a video running in the background. The videos are played in the background on my computer and on my phone. I do this on many devices all at the same time, and I'm not required to touch it. Or it's even better since I don't have to watch the video, all I have to do is keep it running in the background and watch the money roll in. To watch a video, just click on the Offers tab on the left side of your dashboard and then pick any video that you want to watch. These offers are from well-known companies that task you to watch videos, and in return, you get points depending on the video that you watched. As I said earlier, you do not need to watch it. The more videos that you watch, the more points you gain. And these points can be converted into different rewards like PayPal cash or gift cards. In order to demonstrate this, let me show you how I can pay out money using these points. Now, for example, I'll choose cash right here and you'll see PayPal where you can enter any amount you want. Please double check your email address with your PayPal account when you made that withdrawal. So I'm just going to buy the reward. Click here and then confirm my password before clicking submit to complete the transaction. Only a few moments pass after the reward has been processed and it is ready to be deposited to your PayPal account. Withdrawing money on this website is as simple as that. Allow me to share to you a bonus tip that you may use if you like. Utilize all your desktop computers and mobile devices to open numerous browser tabs and view various videos at the same time. I generally use Google Chrome and open 3 or 4 tabs at a time. Then leave the videos playing in the background as I go about my day. My passive income can continue to grow as long as the videos are being played, and you're well aware of how rapidly the money accumulates. The fact that it's fully passive in the sense that I'm not required to perform any manual labor is the most appealing part. Furthermore, you do not require any specific set of skills because all you have to do is just play the video and you immediately earn money from doing so. The second app that I'll be showing you today is called AppNana. It is available for download on both iOS and Android devices. And once you're there, you can engage in a number of activities such as playing games, doing surveys, and watching videos. Every time you successfully finish a task, they give you nanas, which are points that you can receive for each successful task. You can turn these nanas into rewards such as cash, and you can cash them out using PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, or bank transfer. Participating in the referral program provides you with the opportunity to earn money as well. You may just click on this link to be sent to a website where you can complete the registration process by entering all of your information. That's all there is to it. It's actually very simple, and you can share your referral link on Facebook, Twitter, or any social media platform. You can also share your referral link to your friends and family to generate another additional source of income while you watch the videos. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The third website that I'll be showing you is called MyPoints. The main way that you can earn on this website is by shopping in different stores and receive cashbacks. MyPoints members get up to 40% cashback with every purchase from 2,000 top retailers like Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, and Amazon. However, you can also do other offers such as answering surveys and watching videos. You can also receive points where you can redeem them for gift cards and money, just like the other websites that I have mentioned earlier. The best thing about this website is that when you sign up, they give you a $10 welcome bonus. This can be a $10 Amazon gift card or a $10 Visa gift card. To sign up, just put in your email address, your password right over here, and click on Join Now button. Simple as that. Allow me to show you app number 4, AppTrailer. This app has been really popular for many years, and the developers are always updating and creating new versions of it. You should also be thrilled if you're watching this right now, since they've just released a new version that allows you to watch videos while making money. Because the earlier versions will only provide you with a small amount of money, this is a terrific opportunity to double your money. In order to make significantly more money in a shorter period of time, I recommend that you watch at least 3 to 5 videos at the same time. If you check out their ratings and reviews, you'll see that they have a terrific rating considering that many applications just get an average of 3 stars. And this one gets a little more than that. A great deal of positive feedback has been received from the users. Now it's time to move on to the last app, Creation Reward, which comes with a $5 registration bonus. Once again, simply by watching videos on this app, you may earn free gift cards and cash to spend as you like. But I'd like to point out that this app has been around since 2000, which is a lengthy amount of time. And they've been paying their users for 18 years, which is a remarkable achievement. You can engage in a variety of activities, including paid surveys, watching videos, internet browsing, online shopping, completing offers, and referring friends and family. Now I spend most of my time watching videos and occasionally browsing the internet. Even if you have no prior knowledge, they are all quite simple. One word of caution, it is not recommended that you attempt to answer the surveys on this website. Please do not do this since they pay very little money and you will be wasting your time if you do. I gave it a go myself, so just focus on watching videos. And if you find it enjoyable, I would recommend that you would participate in various offers that are related to visiting and browsing websites if you want to make more money. Every day when you log into your dashboard the first time, they will reward you with the bonus money. So make sure you do it, because if you do this for 30 days in a row, they will send you a lot more videos that you can watch since they can see that you are actively using their app. This is a great opportunity for you to earn more money. And that's all about it. Now that you know the apps and the websites that I use to earn extra income, you can do these too and earn the same amount of money that I have been earning. Start doing it as soon as today. Enjoy! And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.